Dive deep into crafting soul-stirring melodies and expansive soundscapes right here in FL Studio 20 to create truly emotional progressive house. First, let's lay down an emotive chord progression. Load up a mellow piano or a rich analog synth. I'm using a classic synth pad for that warm, inviting tone. Experiment with minor or suspended chords. Think of patterns that evoke a sense of longing or reflection. A simple IV progression in a minor key can be incredibly effective. With your chords locked in, it's time for a lead melody. This is where the emotion truly shines. Keep your melody simple and memorable, focusing on intervals that feel expressive. Consider using a pentatonic scale or a Dorian mode for that slightly melancholic yet beautiful feel. Let the melody breathe. Don't overcrowd it. Now, let's build a lush soundscape. Layering is key. Add your chord progression again, but this time use a softer, more atmospheric sound like a stretched-out synth or an ethereal pad. We'll use gentle automation on parameters like cutoff, frequency, and reverb to make these sounds evolve and shimmer over time, creating a sense of depth. For that signature progressive house feel, we need a solid foundation. Bring in a warm, rounded kick drum and a smooth, driving bassline. The bassline should complement your chords, adding a sense of movement without overpowering the melody. Use reverb and delay on your lead and pads to create that expansive, emotional space, really letting the sounds interact and bloom. Finally, let's arrange for dynamics. Structure your track with clear build-ups and breakdowns. Use risers, subtle filter sweeps, and white noise to create tension before dropping back into your core melodic elements. Even small additions like a pitch-up vocal chop or a reverse cymbal can add significant emotional impact. The goal is to take the listener on a journey.